Hi guys, welcome back to Hehong Machinery Technology. Today we are on site of landing plate installation for rod mill. This is a rod mill with 2.1 meters diameter and 3.6 meters length. Quite easy to process steel slag. This is a motor, reducer, and the main part of the rod mill. The motor is 220 kilowatts variable frequency motor. This is a ZD60 National Standard reducer. That's the cylinder of the rod mill. Its thickness is 25 millimeters. We have rubber pad for each landing plate. During installation, workers will put a layer of rubber pad first, then install the landing plates. This way, it acts like a cushion and protects the cylinder. This is our variable frequency starter. It can reduce the impact of power grid and give it a soft start.